With the development in printing technology and the presence of a number of competing brands in the market, it has become very easy to find several good printers and copiers for domestic or large office use. But between these two opposite ends of the user spectrum lies the equally important small office segment that has its own special needs. Affordability, not just in the price of the machine but also in its running costs, and compact design, without compromising on the overall power, are essential features required from an efficient printing device for small businesses. And we have got just the thing for such users today.
Here we go!
The MFC 9330 CDW is an all-in-one color laser printer from Brother that fulfills these criteria and does a lot more, making it the perfect choice not just for small offices, but even for families that see a lot of printer use from multiple members. It allows for convenient printing, along with copying, scanning and faxing, all in a machine that is only 19 by 16 by 16 inches, and saves you money while doing it. This powerful multi-purpose unit can print and copy high-impact color and crisp black documents at resolutions up to 600 by 2400 dpi, at the speed of up to 23 pages per minute. You also get the convenience of an adjustable 250 sheet capacity paper tray and the single sheet manual feed slot for printing envelopes and thicker media. Along with this, it also offers an optical scan resolution of up to 1200 by 2400 dpi, a stunning clarity that can rival much bigger and expensive machines. Convenience is another advantage with the MFC 9330 CDW. An easy-to-navigate 3.7-inch color touchscreen display lets you easily control the machine and connect to the web directly to access your cloud storage service. With flexible connectivity, you have the ease of wireless printing from or scanning to your Apple, Android, Kindle or Windows device, or print via AirPrint, Google Cloud Print, Cortado Workplace, Wi-Fi Direct, or Brother's own convenient app. And with Amazon Dash replenishment enabled, your toner level is measured and directly ordered from Amazon when it is running low. Then there are the many cost-saving features. Duplex printing saves you paper by 50%. The new high-capacity replacement color toners provide approximately 7.5% lower color cost per copy as compared to standard toners. The secure function lock limits accessibility per user to help reduce unnecessary paper and toner consumption. The deep sleep mode uses less than 2 watts of power when not in use, and the auto-off mode powers off the unit when not in use for an extended period. With all these features packed into this small machine, you get a quick, reliable and affordable printing and scanning solution, which can handle all the workload you throw at it. You even get a 1-year warranty and free technical support for the system's life. A very respectable score of 3.7 on 5 stars from over 500 customers shows that this product from Brother has proven to be quite a hit. The printer's speed and cross-platform functionality seem to make it popular with several home office users. That's about all we have for now on the Brother MFC 9330 CDW wireless all-in-one printer. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other reviews of laser printers here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.